What's going on, guys? So, many of you guys know I was having an issue with what I thought was possibly my rear diff on the truck, and so I brought it back over to Johnny, the guy who built it for me, because I was tripping. I was like, man, I spent a bunch of money on rebuilding that axle, and I didn't want anything, to grenade or whatever. So Johnny's an awesome dude. He opened it up, looked at it, and he just from opening up and looking at it, he could tell that there was pretty much nothing wrong with the diff, the gears, but he tore it down anyways. Tore it down completely and rebuilt it again just to make sure. Checked all the bearings, checked the gears, everything looked good. So what he thinks and what we think is the sound that the truck's making is possibly due to the drive shaft being a little bit too short, and it's not like fully engaged, if that's the right word. But what I'm going to do, and what I was planning on doing anyways, was just getting a slip yoke eliminator, and then I would have a whole new drive shaft built anyways. So it was just pretty much for peace of mind to have him look at it and make sure it wasn't the diff. So that's just one more thing on my list that I need to get done. But I just wanted to share that with you guys. Everything else is good. I was going to do exhaust possibly last week if it wasn't for the problem with that sound that the truck's making, and I wanted to get that taken care of. So now that's kind of been pushed back till the end of the month. So I think I'm going to just do some minor things. I worked on it yesterday for a few hours, just did some minor things, and I'll probably do the same thing today, nothing major. And then at the end of the month, I'll go ahead and install my new exhaust manifolds, and then probably have it towed over to the exhaust shop and get the exhaust put on it. But I just want to give you guys a quick update. Hope everybody's having a good weekend, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.